Welcome to Gemini Architecture. My name is Kailash, and today we start a new tutorial with 3D'S Max. So this is my view. So today we do night lighting on it. Let's see. So this is my view, and I place light here, this side, and this side also. And I also place light on this area. For plants, I just place light on this area and this area. For room, I just place light inside of that room, this room. And for highlighting this area, I just place light at here for highlighting this area. And highlighting the trees, I just place one light at here and one light at here. And highlighting the building, I just place one light this area and one light in this area. Or this is my dome. So this is my dome, and I just do some setting on my dome lighting. So I just increase the subdivisions is 40 and the resolution is 2048, and I just place SDRI on texture map. I just increase that radius also, and this is my camera. So I just place a light front of my cameras. That and there is some settings I do. So this is my settings. Okay, first of all, I go here and DMC Catmull room. I just place skylight. That is BD sky. I just place at here and here also. And my color mapping is Rian Hard and burn value 0.3. And ambient occlusion I also on that. So I primary bounce is 0.7. GI engine is arrays map, and second is like cache, very low quality. Okay, now I just increase the dynamic memory level, so I just go here and 5000. Okay, then after I just click on render. So my rendering is still going on. It takes time. So rendering is still going on. This takes time. So I already take the render of it. So I just cancel it. I show you what is the render. So this is our final render, which is come out for that one. So if you like this tutorial, so please like and share this video. Thank you.